Welcome. Today we are looking at questions and answers in history. The questions are in a previous video. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Question 7a. Impact of the transatlantic trade on the people of West Africa. Massive depopulation occurred as many people were shipped out of the continent. It led to intermingling between the Africans and the Europeans, giving to the mulatto population in Senegal. It led to the growth of kingdoms such as Asante and Dahomey. The kings derived wealth from trades by levying taxes on the traders. They acquired firearms that enabled them to strengthen their armies. Manufactured goods that were introduced undermined African industries. The slave trade deprived Africa of its labor force. This undermined agriculture and local industries. It led to the decline of the Transatlantic trade. Traders now turned their attention to the coast. It caused destruction of property during the slave raids. Port cities such as Ouidah, Lagos, Ponto, Novo, and Elimina were developed along the coast. Wealthy merchants and kings, for example in Asante and Dahomey, emerged. It led to separation and displacement of families as people were raided and sold into slavery. It caused suffering, fear, misery, insecurity, and killings. Enmity developed between communities due to slave trades. Roles changed in communities where women did the jobs of men who had been sold into slavery. The abolition of the slave trade led to the establishment of Sierra Leone and Liberia as freed slave centers. B. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me.